Hey everyone, it's Erin here, and I am here doing a plan with me with my PP weeks. So if you are new to this channel, you'll know that my journey with memory keeping has been a struggle to find something that has worked. I am glad to report that as of right now, the PP weeks is working for me. PP weeks being the print impression weekly setup. I'm actually only sticking to the 2-page spread for this type of weekly, which I didn't think that this would be enough for me, but I have found that I am just doing kind of the bare minimum of like what type of highlights. I don't need to know that I had coffee every day because I have coffee every day. It's not a big deal. So I found that using the PP Weeks has worked out pretty well for me in terms of that. Although now I have like a lot of coffee stickers, so I'm trying to figure out how to incorporate that with like, instead of doing a computer for work, maybe I'll do like a coffee for work because I just have so many of those. Now this kit is the Mulan kit from Sweet Bean Plans. I love this shop. I just signed up for her subscription kit and I'm loving it so far. I have already used a subscription kit in one of my future spreads. I've already set out like a couple weeks worth of these spreads. So I'm only going to show these every once in a while unless this is something that you guys want to see more often. I'm only doing this because I don't really have anything to report from my Wellness Wednesday, just because I was on vacation last week and no, I was not doing anything regarding my wellness except for taking some time off and trying to relax. So I felt like I really needed not to do a check-in for this week. So I decided to do this PP Weeks because some people have said that they want to see this from my channel and that they're interested in what I am doing now for my memory keeping. So I decided to use silver foil with this kit. That's what I'm probably doing off screen. Yep, trying to find my silver foil. And I actually have the Mulan kit, or not the kit, obviously I have the kit, but I have the Mulan folder system. What's that called? Sticker book. Yeah, I have her Mulan sticker book, and that's what I'm actually keeping the silver in. So I also have one of her Gryffindor books, and that I am keeping gold in. So I'll probably get one for every single foil color at some point. I decided, since these weekly headers are like a little bit like they're off to the right, so I felt like I had a ton of space to put the numbers dots. So for this kit, I kind of like these larger date dots from Station Stickers. I like how that shop does their foil, so I'm really happy with how these turned out. So I think the larger numbers definitely fit the space a little bit better. And then I decided to take the little headers from the kit, and if there is a sticker, like a quote-unquote full box sticker, then I am putting the header right above that. If not, then I'm putting it right below the header on the under the date dot. So like I mentioned, this week Tyler was on vacation, which means that I took some vacation time. I still worked on Friday, but outside of that, I just tried to relax. And here is where I'm talking about with the different coffee stickers. I got a bunch from Sweet Bean Plans, and like I have a bunch from Coffee Monsters Co. and all that kind of stuff. So I decided to use coffee cups to mark different types of things. So this is like coffee in orders, or coffee in work, or coffee in meeting. You know, I'm just trying to incorporate the coffee cups a little bit more. I think that sticker is from, oh god, it used to be called Millie Papery. I think now it's called like Kaylee's, Kaelis Papery? I don't know. I'll have to look that up. But that girl holding the boxes for sending my Etsy orders. That is from that shop. The film script sticker is from Magic Prints Co. And I use a munchkin from Once More with Love to mark that I was filming this day. A lot of these things that I like kind of skip around because I'm not so much memory keeping. I do it kind of as I'm setting up for the week, in between the week, and then after the week, just so that I can space things out so I can remember them. I am terrible at remembering things that happened like yesterday. So I have to get it like down on paper, otherwise I'll forget. So my husband went skiing this week. He went skiing in Cortland, so it was a lot of fun for him. I wish I could have gone with him. I'm kind of sad that I wasn't able to. Obviously, I am only 5 months out from my knee surgery, so skiing is not exactly what I should be doing, unfortunately. I really want to do that again though. I really like skiing. The first time it was terrifying, but I really do like skiing. And these 2 washi tapes are from Simply Gilded, and I was so thrilled that I found this blue washi tape. I didn't think that I would be able to bring in enough of this dark blue, and I am so happy that I found this washi tape in my collection. I guess it pays to have a very vast collection of Simply Gilded washi tapes, although I haven't been getting the subscription kits for the past couple months, trying to save some money, so hopefully that doesn't like let me down. And then I marked out chocolates. While I didn't go to the lodge, I thought that I would, kind of do a pour one out for my bros and have some hot chocolate since I couldn't have hot chocolate at the lodge. Honestly, it was just an excuse. I wasn't keto this week, so I was just making up all the excuses in the world. I'm using this sticker from Scribble Prints Co., the foiled, it's like credit cards, and I did that to mark Shopify, mostly because I'm trying to work on getting my website together. It's become very apparent that I need to do this. So I am really working hard in the background trying to get my Shopify started, but it's a lot. It's a lot to get started. As I mentioned, my husband was coming home from skiing on Thursday, so I decided to use another munchkin. I got like 2 sheets of these munchkins when I found out that Tyler was getting skis for his Christmas present. I think it was like a mixture. It was like Christmas and birthday present, but I didn't get it for him. His mom got it for him, but I got his boots for him. So when I found out that, I decided to get a bunch of sheets of skiing because he goes skiing a lot, especially this time of year, obviously, because there is a lot of snow. And now we've just found out that his job gets him, I think, like a $20 discount on like Saturday evenings. So he ended up going on Saturday evening. I didn't put it in here because it wasn't like a remarkable thing. And like I said, I'm trying to keep this to just like mainly just a couple different memories a day. So Wednesday, I put the stationery showdown because that is the video that I filmed. Yeah, I was putting together like a bunch of the stuff for the stationery showdown. Which is going to be a lot of fun. I'm actually really excited about this. It's taking a lot to like get it all set up, but that video coming out is really funny. There's a special guest appearance by someone that I think you guys are going to like laugh your butts off because it ends up being really funny. I'm really happy with how that video went. I filmed it over the weekend. Shout out to my patrons who have been helping me so much with the stationery showdown. You guys are the best. And again, I was working on the Shopify situation. Honestly, if you guys have any like I don't know, recommendations from switching from Etsy to Shopify, please let me know in the comments below, because it seems like a lot of work. I know there's like a way to transfer your listings, but I think that I need to like switch out how my listings are because of how it's going to be on Shopify. So I'm still trying to figure that out. And I don't want to hire anyone because I'm cheap. And well, I mean, I don't have a lot of money to begin with invested in this business. So I'm really trying to keep it going on its own. So I don't have to put like a whole bunch of money into it. Like supplies, yes, but like maybe not so much on the website and stuff like that, because at least things are going on Etsy. So I don't know. This is just how my brain works. So sorry in advance. I left a space open on Thursday because I was doing this on I think I was doing this on Wednesday. I was filming this on Wednesday. So I didn't know what we were going to do on Thursday nights. I had my March plan with me, the stationery showdown thing. That was on Friday. I also worked on Friday. And then I had a couple new releases come out, mostly just like a stencil. But most of my releases are going to be coming out the first Friday of March. So be on the lookout for that. I'm going to have some sneak peeks here in the next week or so. I also had a patron gold tier hangout on Saturday, which was a lot of fun. We just chatted on Skype, and they got to meet my husband, and he was there, and we were talking about what's going on for the stationery showdown, and they were giving me a bunch of advice and things like that. So honestly, I have so much fun during these lives. I was really nervous about it at first because I am not really... I'm an introvert, so it's like hard enough for me to do these types of videos and voiceovers and things like that, let alone like be live with someone, but they make it easy. So again, thanks to my patrons. You guys are awesome. I just love you guys. And then I wanted to fit in some washi tape, so I pulled everything up so that I could fit in just some more washi tape. I needed to get some more of that little sparkle in there. This one is like a hollow foil, but I don't care so much if I mix foils. It's not really a big deal to me. But I just wanted to cover up that space because I didn't have any more of the slightly larger boxes. So I just wanted to cover up the space because I can't fit 3 things there. So I don't know. It works. So I had a lot of design and I did a lot of orders on Saturday. I designed all the stickers for my patrons. Those are going out next week. So thanks to my patrons again. I'm just going to keep like thanking them. You guys make all of this possible. It's awesome. My husband and I started watching Star Wars. He has watched Star Wars once before, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3. He hasn't seen 7, 8, and 9 yet. I have not seen 9 yet. So we decided to start from the beginning. And then on Disney Plus, they're like remastered or whatever. They're a higher quality. So he likes watching them much more than when they were like an old crappy quality, because we've been trying to watch... Well, I've been trying to get him to watch these for years now, and it has not quite worked. So I'm just really glad that he wants to watch it now. I think it's mostly because of The Mandalorian, because we started watching that show. And I think that now that there's that show, and then, of course, Baby Yoda, now he wants to watch the whole series. So I'm into that. I'm excited about it. I stole that sticker from a different kit. I think it's from a Simply a Mess kit that I have for the future. I didn't save any weeks for when we like finish, so I'm gonna hopefully have this like right as we finish all of the series. Well, as we finish all of the movie series, and then hopefully finish The Mandalorian after we finish those. So we'll see. We'll see how it all goes. So my husband got Starbucks in the morning. Thank you to him. He's awesome. And then I wanted to bring in another Simply Gilded. This is like a little confetti washi tape. And I wanted to use this munchkin that says hang in there. Honestly, it's just traveling for work is really hard. And so when I know that vacation is almost up or the weekend is almost up, I know that I have to travel again soon, and it just fills me with so much dread, to be honest. And I don't like that I feel this way because I really do love my job, but right now it's not great. So anyways, I was packing up some patron stickers. They get shipped out next week, so I put another Fangirl Munchkin in for them. And then I also have a movie night sticker that we did on Sunday, even though it was like right before my husband was going to work, but it's okay. But that is my PP Weeks. Thank you guys for joining, and if you like this type of video, like, comment, and subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. I want to hear more about what type of things that you guys want to see. If you want to see more of these PP Weeks with stickers and all that kind of stuff, please let me know. And again, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.